Hey beauties, welcome back to another quarantine tutorials. My name is Kecia Holden. I'm here to just entertain you and give you some makeup tips and tricks to get you through this quarantine. This year, I am nominated for Praise and Worship Leader of the Year with Gospel Choice Music Awards taking place this August down in Atlanta, Georgia, and I need your help. So go ahead and click the link in the description box below and it'll take you to the voting process. It's super quick, super easy. Thank you so much for your support. If you like what you see and you want to learn how to get this look, or you just enjoy random singing, stay tuned. Today I'm going to use my YSL Pore Refiner, this guy here. It helps just to keep everything mattified and reduces the look of pores. I'm only gonna put it in my problem areas. And then let's do some color correcting. This is the Pro Conceal from LA Girl. And I use that around my mouth just to give myself a great base to start with. I know it looks crazy, but it's gonna work. It's gonna be great. The reason why I'm using orange is because my discoloration is just a little bit on the blue side. So to neutralize that, I'm using more of an orange tone. And then when I put my foundation on top, it's just gonna look more flawless. But as you can see, it just kind of neutralizes all of the discoloration. So it pretty much makes it a blank slate. So then when you put your foundation on, it just comes out flawless. But right now I want to make sure it's all blended out and beautiful, so that way when I do put my foundation on, you don't see all of the orange from underneath. I also want to add some under my eyes as well, so I can get a good start to my eyes before I put my concealer on. So much fun. And now that I have all of that set down, I want to set it with a little bit of my Flower by Beauty Bakery. This also helps your foundation to last longer too. Just doing this quick little step helps everything last longer, especially around the nose and especially if you wear glasses. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna add my foundation. Today I'm gonna use my All Hours foundation from YSL. I'm just gonna spray my face real quick. And that'll just help everything to move and glide on. And of course, once I blend it out, it's gonna give me a really nice finish. Plus, it's gonna help everything to last longer. So when you have that down, blend. Once you have that down, go ahead and set your foundation. Today I'm gonna use my YSL All Hour Setting Powder. It comes in a beautiful compact, it's so pretty. We'll go ahead and set that up. I'm gonna use it in my problem areas, of course, just to give me a flawless finish. And I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Now that I have my brows on, I already applied my concealer, so I'm just gonna blend that in. All right, concealer's on. I did set it with my Fenty powder. So let's move on to eyes. I'm actually going to use my Indian Wood Paint Pot by MAC. And it's a beautiful bronze color, as you can see. But it helps to keep your eyeshadow on all day. So definitely try it. If you haven't tried it, try a paint pot from MAC. You'll love it. And next, I'm gonna use my Jackie Aina palette. We're gonna go, I don't use it a lot, not as much as I used to, but I'm gonna go with this color here. And that one is called Edges. And I'm just gonna start by applying that in my crease. I love how pigmented this is and I don't have to dig in order to get color. It's just like one little drop and it's on there. This is so beautiful. Now that that color is down, I'm gonna go into this color here and it's called Credit. It's a really nice dark brown. that doesn't turn ashy or purple on brown skin. That's a plus. So with this color, I'm concentrating right here in my crease, the outer crease. And then I'm gonna bring that down to the outer corner. So I'm basically coloring in this V here. Give myself a little shape. Not a wing, but just more of a shape. And I'm also gonna bring it down here to my lower lash line as well. If you really wanna get a good shape and a really good look at your eye, look at it from underneath, like kind of angle a mirror underneath so you can really look at your eye and get a nice shape to your eyeshadow. And then go back into edges and use your fluffy blending brush and brush your lower lash line with edges. So that way you can get that gradient effect that you have up here, you can get it down here as well. And now for the main event, go right in here into this color, which is called Sponsored. It's just a really beautiful green color that I love so much. This is the first color I used out of this palette because it just spoke to me. And it said, Kecia, you need me. And I said, okay. I talk to my makeup once in a while. Take that same brush that you blended edges with and just go ahead and blend those lines out. Then I'm gonna go back into Sponsored and I'm just gonna add just a touch down here in the lower lash line. Just for added interest, I'm gonna go into this color right here, Soleil. And I'm gonna use my little flat brush. I love this little brush. It does everything I need it to do. And just add it to my inner corner for inner corner highlight. But I'm gonna go right up into Sponsored from there. So now I'm gonna add my eyeliner. This one is from Ulta and it's called, good question. Oh, it's called Metallic Olive. So it's a beautiful metallic green color. And I just wanna shape my eyes a little bit more. So I'm gonna take my black eyeliner and just go across my lash line. Just a nice thin line, super, super close to the lash. Like get in there as close as you possibly can without poking yourself in the eye. And that just gave me a better shape. Can you tell? Yes, you can tell, yes. Okay. And then I'm gonna add my mascara and lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Now that my lashes are on, let's move on. I'm gonna use my Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa palette for my blush today. And I'm gonna go right here into this color, and that one is called La Vida Mocha. Gorgeosity. And then go right in here to your Grounded. You're gonna use that as your highlight today. Perfection. Perfection. And I knew I was missing something. Go back here into Soleil, right in there. And I'm gonna add that to my brow bone. I'm missing a brow color. I don't always add a brow bone highlight, but when I do, I want it to be fabulous. Let's go with some lips. I'm adding my Cork Liner by MAC. And then next, I'm gonna add my YSL lip. This one is Tatouage Couture from the Metallics collection in number 103. It's basically like a water stain, so it goes on like water, but then it dries like a matte lipstick. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous formula, and it absolutely lasts all day. I love it. Today I'm gonna use my NYX Matte Finishing Spray. And that's it, guys. That's the look. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this look. As always, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Get the book. All of the information that you need is down below in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye.